Hey guys, welcome again. This is Matt from Modern Realty Guam. We're here in Ipan, Talofofo at 131 Chalan. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1,906 square feet, and a 929 square meter lot. So what 929 square meters, what we're used to, is a quarter acre. It's fully fenced and gated on a quiet street, listed for $535,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin you around and we're gonna start our tour. So walking in, got the mailbox, which is awesome and highly irregular on some streets on Guam. Coming into the passenger gate, if you will, we have our motorized gate. We have the fully fenced yard. Scrolling by, the his and hers 2-car garage. Property's been well kept, recently mowed. We got the accordion shutters, some landscaping across the back. We got our propane tanks, probably from Pacific Gas. Usually these require a deposit. It's possible they were bought outright, but it's a pretty easy transition process. Big yard, lots of grass. Here's a septic tank, which keeps your water bill down. We have the outdoor kitchen. What this is our solar panel on the roof. So what happens when a home has solar, there's usually a contract, a 25-year lease. So during the buying process, you have to agree to accept that lease, complying with Sonova. We have our outdoor bath. It's basic, but it's a full bath and outdoor, so you can wash the dogs. Wash the kids off after they've been playing in the yard. Plenty of room for a trampoline, pool, anything like that. The structure of the wall, well taken care of, nice paint job. It's really a beautiful home. And then also, plenty of room to park additional vehicles over here as well. If you have friends over, let's go ahead and head inside. So heading inside, you walk into the living room space. Nice, wide open. You can pretty much do any kind of layout that you want. I'll go ahead and zoom us back a little bit. High vaulted ceilings makes the space feel really big. It's really a nice setup. What I really enjoy is the kind of prep area over here. Wine bar. Zooming into the kitchen, you have an island, stainless steel fridge, black stove, but easily swapped, and it's gas as well. That's what your propane's for. And there's a dishwasher space. So by the looks of it, the previous owners never installed a dishwasher because there's no holes in the cabinets, but pretty easy to install. Spend about $600 getting it all done. Cabinets are really nice. Pan back around. We'll head over into the main area first. So you have bedroom 1. Very large, probably 14 by 14. Installed closet space. Split ACs, no ceiling fans in the bedrooms, but don't really need them. Separate laundry space. Here's the main bath. Single top. Mirror. Walk-in shower with our step, using the bar across, or you could install a glass slider enclosure. Has the nifty shelf. You don't always see that here. And then ventilation fan, also don't always see that here, so that's really good. Again, bedroom 2 is just pretty much a flip-flop of bedroom 1. So we got the split AC, blinds, closet system, and they put an additional matching shelf over there. Walking back, coming across, we'll tour the garage real fast. So 2-car garage, plenty of storage. Both this opens up into storage. You have your water heater utility space over there, outlets around on the various walls, and the garage floor has been painted with the garage paint. Nothing special about it, just a thicker texture paint, and looks nice. All right, going into our master space, large master bedroom. So we'll go ahead and pan around so you can see. So here's our entrance off the living room. So you have a split floor plan, which is always nice. Really nice walk-in closet. Various accessories. Defined spaces to separate, his and hers, if you will. And then walking into the master bath. So the space is set up for a dual vanity. It doesn't have it, but would not be that difficult to change this out to make it the actual dual vanity as designed. Large space. You have separate shower and jacuzzi tub. Window and ventilation fan. So again, really nice setup. Nothing crazy articulate, but fully functioning separate spaces. I really love the kitchen. I really love these solid countertops. It is very, very nice. We'll head back outside. All right, so that's the tour. That's 131 Chalan in Ipan, Talofofo. 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. So we had the split floor plan. We had 1 bath on the exterior of the home, fully fenced and gated with an electric gate. Private street with mail. It's a beautiful home listed at $535,000, courtesy of Today's Realty. But give us a call today and we can get you into this property. 864-8900 and call the office 969-3030. modernrealtyguam.com. Thanks guys, see you out there.